Alright guys, today I will be showing you how to replace an iPhone 4 screen. If you like crack hairs, you need to repair it. First off, you gotta take the two bottom screws out, and they're pentalobe. Alright, after that you just gently slide the back up and take her off. Then you can see the insides. You always start off by unplugging the battery first. You don't want to short anything out. After that, you can take off the cover.
Sorry, guys.
Before you pop out the logic board, you need to pop your SIM card out. After you remove the logic board, you gotta remove the lower speaker and microphone. The battery is sometimes difficult, sometimes easy. It just kind of depends on the phone. Then the last thing you need to take out is the vibrator. Alright, after everything is removed, there is 4 corner screws, 1 in each corner, and they're secured in, and then there's 6 screws, 3 on each side, but those only need to be loosened. You don't need to take them all the way out. Alright, now that all the screws are out and the other screws are loosened, you can now begin to pop the screen off. You usually need a really skinny, like fine flat head, or like a pry tool, and gently slide it under the bezel for the screen. They're sticky, connecting the bottom and the top, and they come up pretty easy. Voila, screen is off. And this is, you can also change your home button doing that. And that about wraps it up. From here, you just put it back together the way you took it apart. It's a lot faster putting it back together than breaking it down. Thanks for watching.